Okay, guys, so I thought I would just do this check-in. It's been about 2 hours since I mixed up and fed my sourdough starter this morning. And now one of my sourdough mentors is in London. So everything she talked about was in Celsius, which I understand being from Canada. So just because it helps me relate to what she taught me, I keep my countertop thermometers in Celsius. But trick that my mom taught me when I was young is if you want to know Celsius to Fahrenheit, basically if you double it and add 30, that'll get you pretty close. So this is about 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And the reason it's a little warmer under here is because my under cabinet lights are halogen. So they're definitely adding some heat right here in this spot. And I put these here on purpose because I got kind of a late start this morning and I wanted to get these guys going. So you can see after 2 hours, they're all climbed up above the rubber band that we used to mark them. And it's kind of hard to see. They're not really all that domed on top yet, but they will develop a dome. And you're seeing some bubbles in there where the fermentation is happening. So this is just a 2-hour check-in. I wanted to show you, see if I can get over here quickly. This is the starter that I fed at I think it was a 5-to-1 ratio. This is the one that I'm planning to use for my banana bread and cookies. I purposely want it to take longer because I'm not gonna be ready to do my banana bread and my cookies until I've dealt with my bread dough. So I don't have this under the under cabinet lights. You can see it's at least a couple of degrees Celsius cooler. So this would be more like 74-ish Fahrenheit over here. I also, because I fed it at that higher ratio, it will take longer to be ready. And I marked it with that green rubber band. I don't think I would forget, but it just keeps it separate in case I can't remember which is which. So this will take longer. This is the 2-hour check-in, and probably in another hour or so, I'll go ahead and start my auto lease so that I make sure I have at least 2 hours of that.